How to fix a Roblox connection error or problem reaching servers. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when Roblox won't connect properly on Windows 11. First, close the Roblox app completely on your computer. After that, right-click on the Start menu and open Task Manager. From there, click on the Processes tab and check if Roblox is still running in the background. At this point, if it is, right-click on it and select End Task. In the next step, check your internet connection by opening a browser and visiting any website. Following this, if your connection looks fine, reopen Roblox and try joining again. Once done, if the error continues, click on the Start menu and open Settings. From here, click on Network and Internet, then click on Windows Firewall. At this stage, make sure Roblox isn't accidentally blocked by checking Allow an app through Firewall. Keep in mind, if Roblox isn't listed there, click on Change Settings, then Allow another app, and manually add the Roblox application. Finally, restart your computer once you've adjusted these settings, then reopen Roblox to confirm the connection issue is resolved. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix a Roblox connection error, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.